Hey, what's going on, everybody? Anthony here with Realty One Group. I'm excited. We are in downtown St. Augustine, the subdivision Lincolnville. We are moments away from the winery, Flagler University, the fort, St. George Street, and so much more. I got a 2-2 that's hitting the market today. This is what I need you to do. I need you to call your agent or call me, and let's make this happen today. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Let's go.